Hi students, now in this video we take the continue part of the last video, that is some compounds of alcohol. In the last video we are learn about the first one compound, that is ethanol, in which the functional group is alcohol. Now let us take second compound, that is what? Ethanoic acid, right? So this is the next part, ethanoic acid. So see here, same property, same method is there. Some properties of the ethanol we study, and now in this video we study about the some properties of the ethanoic acid. So before that, again we come to the what is the formula of ethanoic acid here. Very simple. So in the last video we learned about ethanoic acid symbol, that is about CH3COOH. Okay, and here COOH is what? Nothing but what? Carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid, functional group. The functional group COOH. Okay, we write in the form of like that, C double bond OOH. So this is what the functional group of carboxylic. Okay, functional group of carboxylic acid. So that is what CH3COOH. Okay, this is what the ethanoic acid, right? And this is commonly also called as acetic acid, right? So in the acid, base and salt chapter we use acetic acid, that is weak acid. Okay, that is what CH3COOH. The commonly name is acetic acid. Okay, so another way also we call it as an ethanoic acid, in which the functional group is carboxylic acid, C double bond OH. So see here one by one properties. So first properties belonging to the group acids. Simple one. Which acid? That is, I tell about that. That is carboxylic acid. So how we say that it is belonging to acid? Its name is there, acid, ethanoic acid. So we know that OIC is name of carboxylic acid. So ethanoic acid. So number one property is simple. It is related to the belonging to the family, that is what? Alcoholic family. Oh, sorry, acetic family. That is ethanoic acid is related to the acetic family. That is called carboxylic acid. Now next, second one is commonly called as, okay, again acetic acid. Okay, weak acid. Okay, that is called as a weak acid. Weak acid, that is acetic acid, CH3COOH. Next one is this is new point, 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water. That is very important. If we dissolve a 5 to 8% of acetic acid in water, in that case we get a new product, and that product is called as vinegar. That is called as vinegar. So what is vinegar? Vinegar is a mixture of 5 to 8% of acetic acid with water. That is called vinegar, and this vinegar is used as a preservative in pickles. So many soft foods, okay, street foods, we observe that that is vinegar is used, okay, colorless liquid, weak acid. So that vinegar is nothing but the product of acetic acid and water, and this vinegar used in the preservative of pickles. We observe the pickles. So next one is the melting point of ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin. Okay, 290 Kelvin. Then freeze during winter. In the winter cold season, the ethanoic acid get to freeze. Okay, it is get to freeze, and that freeze ethanoic acid called as a glacial acetic acid. Okay, if the acetic acid is freeze in the cold climate, and then the name is changed, in that time the name is called as not only acetic acid, we called as a glacial acetic acid. When there is a freeze temperature, when there is a cold temperature, cold climate, winter season, in the winter season the acetic acid is called as a glacial acid. Special name is the glacial acetic acid. And also repeated point, it is weak acid because of not completely ionized. So we say that HCl is a strong acid. Why? Because of completely ionized. Okay, it is completely ionized, means it is from the ions, good conductor of electricity. But this is called weak. Why? Because of not completely ionized. They not give more ions conduct electricity. That is why they are weak acids. So these are what the physical properties of the ethanoic acid. Simple one. One is, first point is about related to family of acid. Okay, second point is about the common name, and the third point about the vinegar, that is a mixture of acetic acid plus water. How much percentage? 5 to 8% of acetic acid with water give vinegar, and the vinegar used in the preservation of pickles. And then about melting point, and about a special name glacial. When there is special name, we give special name glacial to acetic acid in the condition of a cold climate, right? And then we take about it is weak in nature. The acetic acid or ethanoic acid is a weak acid. Why? Because of it does not give completely ions. Okay, ions. If they give more ions, means strong acid, but not completely give ions, means it is a weak acid considered. So that is what, students, all about the physical property. Okay, now let us write one by one all points in notes and then come to the reactions of ethanoic acid. Okay, here are again 2 to 3 reactions are there, so one by one can finish this one. So I can remove this one. So let us see the reactions of okay, let us see the reactions of. Okay, so next point is about reaction of ethanoic acid. Okay, reaction of ethanoic acid, and the number one reaction that is very important, that is called esterification reaction. Very important, esterification reaction. Esterification reaction, that is very important reaction. And let us see what is meant by esterification reaction. So this reaction nothing but the reaction between, okay, esterification reaction is reaction between acid and alcohol. That is simple one. The reaction esterification is the reaction between alcohol, acid and alcohol. Okay, that reaction between acid and alcohol. So we know that which is the acid. Acid is nothing but ethanoic acid, and alcohol means we know that ethanol. Okay, C2H5OH. So again I repeated. So simple, what is esterification reaction? Esterification reaction is the reaction between acid and alcohol which gives a sweet smell substance, that is called ester, and the reaction is called esterification reaction. Okay, so see here, I can write down here. First one I take about the acid. So we know about acid, that is acetic acid, CH3, okay, COOH, ethanoic acid. Okay, right here ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Okay, so I mention here ethanoic acid. Okay, I mention ethanoic acid. Just with react with alcohol. Alcohol means ethanol, that is I can write here CH3 CH2OH. Okay, this form. So that is what? Ethanol. Okay, alcohol. Okay, so now let us see what is the reaction here. So what is the reaction here? And this reaction that takes place in the form, it reversible reaction. Okay, also reverse in the presence of acid. Any acid is a catalyst. Okay, let us see here. We know that acid gives H plus ions. Okay, and this H plus ions, okay, this H plus ions are react with this. What happened here? Because of the acid, dehydration takes place. Okay, in the last video in the ethanol reaction we say about H2SO4 is acts as a dehydrating agent, means removal of water. So we know that the acid always gives H plus ions in the liquid. Okay, we know that about in acid base chapter. Acid gives H plus ions, base gives OH minus ions. So it is acid, so it is give H plus ions. The H plus ions of this acid with the OH of that alcohol. Okay, this ethanol alcohol functional group. So what happens? H2 is removed. So we get only this reaction. That is what? CH3. Okay, CH3C. COO is there. If I write in the form of this double bond O. Okay, double bond O. And double bond O, then C double bond O and O, here CH2 in the form like that, CH2 CH3. Okay, I first write this CH2 and CH3. So what, student, this is nothing but what about the, or also we written the form of like that. Okay, if you confuse like that means CH3, okay, COO and then CH2 CH3. Okay, this is nothing but what about the, or also written in the form of CH3. Okay, also written in the form of like that, CH3 COO C2. Okay, C2H5 like that also, because here C2H5. Okay, like that. So this is nothing but what? Ester. This is nothing but ester. It is sweet smell substance. Sweet smell substance. This is nothing but what? Esterification reaction, right? So this is what? CH3 COO CH2 CH3. This is nothing but, maybe read in right like, okay, maybe like that. Okay, this is or. So this is nothing but what? Esterification reaction. Simple reaction. What is esterification reaction? The esterification reaction is the reaction between acid and the alcohol. So acid is acetic acid, ethanoic acid, and the alcohol is ethanol. So we know that acid gives H plus ions, and this H plus ions reacts with OH. So it is what? H2O. Okay, right here H2. Remove H2, remove. Okay, so we form this product. Okay, CH3, COO, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is what the final product of each H is removed and this OH is removed. This is nothing but what? Esterification reaction. Okay, so please write down this one. Right. So now take the uses of the esterification reaction. So see, this is a sweet substance. When this reaction takes place, a sweet smell is released. Okay, and then come to the uses of ester. Uses of ester. Okay, uses of ester. So see, ester is used in the making, used in making perfumes and flavoring agents. Okay, vanilla, that all agents are okay in ice creams, in cake. The vanilla smell is there. That is what esterification. So this is what about the making of perfumes and then the making of flavor agents. These ester is used. This is what esterification reaction. Okay, so now come to the next point, that is about second or reversible reaction of acetic acid, esterification. That is what? Saponification. So another reaction is about saponification. That is very important. Saponification reaction. Right? Saponification reaction. So I write here saponification reaction. Saponification reaction. Saponification reaction. So we know about the is what ester. So what is ester? Ester nothing but CH3. Okay, COO, CH2, CH3. This is nothing but what? Ester. When these esters are again react with acid or base, I take here base. Okay, they form reverse. They form again. They form ethanol. They form again ethanol. Okay, they form again ethanol. That is nothing but in the form of C2H5OH plus. Okay, plus they form CH3COONA. CH3COONA. See here what happened when this is a reversible reaction, right? This is the reversible reaction. This is what? Ethanol. They form again ethanol. Okay, they form again ethanol. This reaction is okay. This. So this is nothing but what? This is soap. This is what? Sodium soap salt. Okay, so this is soap. So now let us see when the ester. Okay, this ester. When the ester reacts with the base or acid, I take base here, they form the again ethanol and then soap, that is CH3CONA. Okay, so this reaction is called, this reaction is used in the preparation of soap. So thus the reaction is called as saponification reaction. Saponification reaction. That is what? A reverse reaction of esterification. Okay, so use acid and alcohol, they give ester, and when ester is again react with base or acid, again they give the ethanol, reverse reaction. Again they give ethanol with the formation of soap, and this reaction is used in the preparation of soap. That reaction is called as a saponification reaction. Very important. In the examination they ask about what is esterification reaction and what is saponification reaction. So in the ester reaction we take alcohol and acid, and in the saponification reaction we take ester with the any base or acid. So I take here base, that is NaOH. So you have to be remember this one. Okay, so this is what the second reaction of the ethanoic acid, that is saponification reaction. Very important. And let's come to the another one. Another reaction, another two reactions are there. Okay, the reactions of the acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, that baking soda and washing soda. So let us here reaction. Okay, reaction of reaction with sodium carbonate, sodium first, okay, first one sodium carbonate, reaction with the sodium carbonate. So what is sodium carbonate? We know that sodium contains nothing but Na2CO3, okay, Na2CO3. So let us see what happened when the ethanoic acid reacts with sodium carbonate. So what is ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid is nothing but CH3COOH, and with reacts with the sodium carbonate, okay, metal carbonate, that is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, that is nothing but what? Washing soda, right? Okay, so what happens? See here, this takes place. So we observe that salt is formed, CH3CONA, plus we observe that water form, and plus we observe that carbon dioxide water form. Okay, that is what salt plus water plus carbon dioxide is formed. That is very important. So in examination, what happened when the sodium is reacts with ethanoic acid? So simple one, when the what happened when the sodium carbonate reacts with the ethanoic acid? So they form salt, water and carbon dioxide. So second reaction, that is last reaction of this video, reaction with sodium, right, sodium hydrogen or bicarbonate, okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate, also called as bicarbonate. So what happens? See here, so we know that acid, that is CH3COOH, and plus we need sodium hydrogen carbonate, so NaHCO3, okay, that is what? Baking soda, bicarbonate. So we get same product, that is what? CH3COONA plus water plus carbon dioxide. So what we learn here? We learn that when the metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonate, okay, metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with what? Ethanoic acid, okay, ethanoic acid, it gives salt plus water, H2O plus carbon dioxide. That is very important, you have to remember. So with help of supporting reaction, this is the example, okay, this is the example, this is a statement, our statement, and the examples which support this statement is here. So this is the acid reacts with metal carbonate, we get salt, water and carbon dioxide, and the ethanoic acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, that is salt, water and carbon dioxide. So student, these are nothing but the important properties, okay, very important reactions of the ethanoic acid. So in the next videos again we take the different concept, that is soap mechanism, okay. In the last video, in next video is the last video of this chapter, in that we can take the cleaning action of soap, that is cleaning mechanism in the last video, and that is the last video of the next video is the last video of this chapter, okay. So hope you understand this video also, very important, maybe it is long but very important, is ethanoic acid property, formula, right, about glacial acetic acid, then the reactions, okay, in the reactions of ethanoic acid, the very important reactions is esterification reaction, and one is saponification, very important reaction. You have to remember the reaction enough, okay. You can make sentence your own, but you have to remember the reactions, right, reactions are very important. So hope you understand all this concept of today's video, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Meet in the next video of the new concept of this chapter, last concept of this chapter, okay. Again, thank you very much.